This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nicola Wakelin. Vacation where you live, every day will feel like a vacation in this fabulous Florida home. Enter the gated courtyard and open the double entry doors to be greeted to an entertainer's dream Carlyle floor plan home where the wet bar, great room, dining and kitchen all flow nicely to the outdoors. Relax in style in the large screened lanai with ample seating space, accent lighting, a sparkling pool and spa. Enjoy peace and tranquility with a natural preserve view. The light and bright kitchen is as functional as it is beautiful. Stay organized with great room, clubroom and garage built-ins, custom closets throughout and finished laundry. Stylish decor features wood flooring, lighting, ceiling fans, window treatments, oversized crown molding, painted coffered ceilings and custom dining mirror. A wine fridge and ice maker are located in wet bar. Easy storm prep with attached and motorized hurricane shutters. 1-year warranty included. Located in Riverstone, a social, vacation-inspired community for all ages. Including fitness, social hall, resort and lap pools, spa, 5 tennis courts, basketball and pickleball court, and tot lot. A full-time activities director plans fun events so it's easy to make new friends. For more information, review the details below.